Here we have triangle 8. It's a right angle, so we know the right angle. It's a right triangle, so we have a right angle right here. So across from it is our hypotenuse. So we know the piece we're looking for is our hypotenuse. Again, you can't change where the hypotenuse is. It's always across from the right angle. Now the two sides here are your adjacent side and your opposite side, and it all depends on where the angle is placed. In this case, the angle is placed in this corner. There's the 22. So across from it, that 16 is going to be considered the opposite side. This side right here is considered your adjacent side. Now, we're trying to find the hypotenuse measurement of x, and we're given the opposite. So we got to find the piece that deals with the opposite and the hypotenuse. So here's what we remember. Some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. Again, don't do drugs. We know that's a stupid thing of the 80s with acid. People killing themselves, jumping off buildings. Don't like it. Never do any type of thing like that. Just plain stupid. So, opposite, hypotenuse. We're trying to, those are the ones, O and H. Which of these deals with O and H? That's right here. That's the sine function. So, we're going to have the sine of the angle. The angle is 22 degrees. The sine of 22 degrees over 1 equals, it's got to be opposite divided by hypotenuse. You've got to put opposite first. The opposite in this case is the measurement given of 16. The hypotenuse in this case is what's unknown. That's the x. So now I just use the means extremes, cross product. I multiply x times the sine of 22 equals 16 times 1, which is 16. And now divide by sine of 22. Divide by the sine of 22. Those disappear. X is approximately, I'm going to do 16 divided by sine of 22 on my calculator, and I did it a minute ago, and I got 42.71. This missing hypotenuse length is 42.71 units long.